So hi guys, this will be my last video that I filmed with my phone because I got really tired of the video and the audio and I just wanted something better. So I bought a GoPro. This is the 9, and the biggest problem I always have with every camera is that it is quite dark. Like, this is already with a light in the middle of the day, and yeah, in Polish winter it's just not much light. So if I turn this one off, you already see that you lose a lot of detail. And my phone camera actually has a bigger sensor than the GoPro, because the GoPro is really made for daylight. And of course you can put it in 4K and then with 24 frames it's quite okay, but I think I want to shoot with a higher frame rate. So for example, this, focus you fuck, yeah, this is 2.7K, 50 frames, because I'm in Europe. So you can see the quality now. It's okay-ish. Let's turn on one light. There's already way more detail. And this is one light with 700 lumens. And let's put on the second. So the second gives only a tiny bit. Like you can see it on this left beam. Like here. You see the difference. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, this is super cheap. I already had the standard, second-hand, $5. Those building lights, they're actually really good. They are new. They cost only $4 a piece. I don't know how they make them this cheap, but they are great. And the best thing about those things is this is plastic. So they're not gonna crash when I'm gonna do rough stuff. And this is also cheap. I actually got it for free from my former work, so great company. Not affiliated at all, but whatever. It's 10,000 mAh, milliampere hour, and it's way more than enough. So let's hope my future videos have a little bit more detail, because you can see my phone is already struggling. And if I go a little bit darker, for example, you barely see the screws. And this is in the middle of the day. Like Polish winter, the sun can go down at 4 p.m. and then you're sometimes still working. So yeah, thanks for watching.